Okay, bitch, let's do a burping contest. The only thing is you're the only participant. That's gonna be fucking weird.
I know I'm gonna win.
Oh, let's burp this all the way. Igloo, igloo.
Shut the fuck up.
I'm gonna fart.
Fuck, I'm peeing right now.
Oh shit, she just peed on the floor.
Okay, shut the fuck up.
Okay. Oh my gosh, she's drinking that shit up. Oh fuck. Don't drown. Oh, that was nice. Another one? She's gonna throw up. Oh my god.
Yeah, I win.
That sucked really bad. Say hello. Say hello. Say
Hello. I'm there. I'm under your arms.
Am I even filming you right now? Okay, there you go. Hi.
Hi.
Hi. Hi. Left.
Okay.
Okay, so that was it. So I guess you win. Haha, you win a here, cigarette.
Yeah.
There you go. Are you happy?
I'm the most happiest girl in the world.
Oh shit. Fuck.
I win the burping contest.
You fat
I practicing
bitch. Oh,
very much.
Shit. Okay.
Thank you, Fanta Ringling.
What the hell? Good night and thank you for watching.